You're doing everything right and still not losing fat. But the problem isn't your discipline. It's the foods you think are helping you. I'm Denis, engineer turned fitness coach. And today we debug the 5 foods that quietly slow fat loss. Starting with the most surprising one, protein bars. Most healthy snacks are engineered to look lean, not help you get lean. Protein bars, low-fat yogurts, diet cookies, they look like fitness food, but behave like ultra-processed candy. The evidence is clear. When people eat ultra-processed foods, they automatically consume more calories without noticing. Why? Because these foods digest fast, don't trigger strong satiety signals, and often hide sugar, alcohols, or refined starches that spike hunger later. The result is a sneaky calorie surplus that kills your deficit without ever feeling full. Your brain thinks you ate a fitness snack. Your body thinks you ate a dessert. Treat bars and diet snacks as emergency tools, not daily habits. Fix this one and your appetite system becomes 10 times easier to control, which leads directly to the next hidden problem. Number 2. Healthy drinks. The drink that slows fat loss the most usually looks healthy. Smoothies, juices, iced teas, energy drinks. They all share one problem. Liquid calories don't register in your hunger system. Your stomach doesn't see the calories, so you don't compensate later. Studies show that when humans drink sugary beverages, they gain weight even when calories match solid food. Add to that the liver overload from fast absorbed fructose, and you get a perfect storm. More hunger, more cravings, more fat stored. This is why many people lose fat without changing their meals. They just remove liquid calories. Swap with water, sparkling water or coffee, tea without sugar. Once you remove liquid calories, your energy levels stabilize, and this sets the stage for the next system flaw. Number 3. Refined grains. The foods that look light often hit your system the heaviest. White bread, pastries, and many cereals digest so fast they behave almost like sugar. The spike crash cycle they create is brutal. Sharp glucose rise, insulin surge, fast drop, and then the hunger hits. Not emotional hunger, physiological hunger, driven by blood sugar instability. Studies constantly show that people who eat more refined grains gain more weight over time because the appetite system gets pushed around like a broken thermostat. Swap 50% of refined grains for whole grains. Instant stability, fewer cravings, cleaner energy. And when your blood sugar stops crashing, you finally notice what alcohol does behind the scenes. Number 4. Alcohol. Alcohol doesn't just add calories. It pauses fat burning completely. When alcohol enters your system, your liver switches to detox mode. Fat oxidation drops sometimes to near zero until the alcohol is processed. Add beer to cocktails and top and you get a double hit, liquid calories plus a temporary shutdown of fat burning. Studies link beer and spirits to more abdominal fat, especially when consumed frequently. Alcohol also lowers food discipline and increases appetite in certain environments. Set alcohol windows like weekends only to reduce metabolic interruptions or skip it altogether. And if alcohol slows down fat burning from the outside, the next food slows it from the inside. Number 5. Calorie-dense foods. The most dangerous foods for fat loss are actually healthy ones. Olive oil, nuts, nut butter, cheese, all nutritious, all extremely calorie dense. The problem isn't health, it's portion blindness. One pour of oil, 120 calories. One handful of nuts, 200 calories. Add small spreads of nut butter or cheese and your deficit disappears silently. Clinical trials show that adding these foods without adjusting the rest of the diet stops fat loss or reverses it. They don't make you full, but they close your energy gap. So measure calorie-dense foods for 2 weeks. You'll discover where your real deficit goes. And now everything comes together into one final principle. Fat loss becomes predictable the moment you control these 5 traps. You don't need more discipline. You need fewer silent calorie leaks. Your body is a system. Once the inputs are clean, the output becomes consistent. So fix the bars, remove the liquid calories, swap the refined grains, limit the alcohol, measure the dense stuff. This is how you build a body that works like a well-engineered machine.